We're here at Motek 2022 in Stuttgart.
Motek is the biggest international trade fair for automation and assembly.
Try to encapsulate all the easy to understand intuitive applications so that you do not have to worry about kinematics and robotic control.
Besides launching new exciting features to our existing robot, we will also enlarge our family, but always with keeping our human-like sense of touch and the dexterity.
We have now the ability to integrate third-party components with the help of our service box.
Instead of programming line by line or with code, they can just drag and drop apps into an app workflow.
This is the international trade show for
For example, we want this robot to teach this, to pick the... We start again.
Yes, thank you, Nick.
That wasn't good. What the was that? Welcome back to Motek. Wait, hold on.
What the